Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix Ghost Touch on Windows 11. This is that super annoying issue where your touchscreen starts tapping or clicking things all by itself, almost like a ghost is using your computer. But don't worry, it is usually just a calibration glitch or some static. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. So before we even touch any settings, we have to rule out the most common cause, simple static electricity or dirt. Go ahead and completely shut down your laptop or computer. Grab a microfiber cloth, like the one you use for glasses, and slightly dampen it with water or screen cleaner. You don't want it wet, just barely damp. Wipe the screen thoroughly, paying extra attention to the very edges and corners where the bezel meets the glass. Sometimes dust gets trapped there and tricks the sensor into thinking you were pressing it. Dry it off completely and turn the computer back on. Surprisingly, this fixes it for about half the people out there. If cleaning it didn't work, we need to tell Windows to relearn exactly where your screen ends so it stops registering false touches. Go ahead and click on your Start button and simply type the word Calibrate. You should see an option pop up that says Calibrate the screen for pen or touch input. Go ahead and click on that. A small window called Tablet PC Settings will open up. In the Display tab, you'll see a button that says Reset. If that button is clickable, click it. That will reset your touch settings to factory defaults, which is usually exactly what you need. If Reset is grayed out, that means you are already on default settings. In that case, click the Calibrate button instead and just follow the white crosshairs on the screen to remap your touch. Now, if the ghost touches are still happening, the driver software might be stuck in a loop. We are going to restart just the touch screen part of your computer. Go ahead and right-click on your Start button and select Device Manager from the list. Look for the section called Human Interface Devices and click the arrow to expand it. This list is long, but I want you to look for the one specifically named HID Compliant Touchscreen. You might even see two of them. Right-click on it and select Disable Device. A warning will pop up, just click Yes. Wait about 5 seconds. The ghost touches should stop immediately because we just turned off the touch feature. Now right-click on it again and select Enable Device to turn it back on fresh. If the ghost touches come back immediately after enabling it, you might have a hardware issue. In that case, you can just leave it disabled so you can at least use your computer with a mouse without it going crazy. And that's it. Your screen should be calm and responsive again. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.